purpose of the Gantt chart to illustrate the relationship between project activities and time, to show the multiple project activities on the chart, to provide a simple and easy to understand the representation of project scheduling. The Gantt chart is a project management tool assisting in the planning and scheduling of the project of all sizes, although they are the particularly useful for the simplifying the complex project. It is an example of the simple Gantt chart. Uh, in the left hand side, the task is given to you.
Nikhil,
Planning, research.
Nikhil,
Yes, sir.
sorry to disturb, but only one first slide is there visible. Please, others, just check it. Is it my problem? Okay, now the next slide is visible. Okay, thank you.
Okay. This
Okay,
is a example of simple Gantt chart. The left hand side, the task is shown as a planning, research, design, implementation, and follow. In the right hand, the months are shown, and the bar shows the progress of the each task, and the time is given to the each task. Creating a Gantt chart. There are two methods of creating Gantt chart. Using forward scheduling, the start with the list of activities and given start the date follows them the forward and time unit it is deadline. Using the backward scheduling, look at the deadline from the date of the work in the logic and list of activities. Steps to creating a Gantt chart. Determine the project start date and deadline. Gather all the information surrounding the list and activities within a project. The work breakdown structure may be useful for this. Determine how long each activity will be take. Evaluate what activities are depending on others and create a graph shell including the timeline and list the activities. This is an example of the Gantt chart. Consider the following activities are given to read a literature, conduct a literature review, arrange a client visit, preparation, prepare a surveys, conduct surveys, analysis, and write up. It is the duration in we have given to 21 days, 14 days, 7 days, and the project start is 1st of December and deadline is 20th December. The ad already we have from the previous slide we have one step 1 to 4 already complete. We have to create a graph shell. The left hand side is given to activities that shows the read literature, conduct literature review, arrange a visit, prepare a surveys, and in the y-axis we have to given the time and period. And this is the step number 6. We have to using the either forward scheduling or backward scheduling to finish the product, and this is the final product we have to after a Gantt chart. The Gantt chart first shows the reader literature. It has a duration at 21 days, start with the first week and end with the third week. Second, conducted literature review 14 days. It start with the fourth and end with the week of 5. That's as the follows we have seen others. The Gantt chart are useful for the planning, scheduling of projects. They can help you to assess how long the project should be take, determine the resources needed, and plan for the order in which they complete the task. The advantages of Gantt chart. It is useful for the displaying the time-based information within a project. It is very simple to create. They provide a useful overview of project activities and good starting point for the project planning. The chart are widely used and understood, help to determine the needed of resource. Thank you, sir.